In today's video, I want to talk about something really important. How to make people rely on you. How to become so valuable that others feel stuck without your presence. So valuable that your absence creates a noticeable gap in their lives. Let me explain. If you want people to truly respect you, if you want them to value your presence, then you need to create a situation where they need you. Because the truth is, people only respect what they depend on. As long as someone needs you, your knowledge, your skill, your help, they will listen to you, value you, and even revolve around you. But the moment they no longer need you, your control fades, your importance drops, your presence becomes optional. So the key is, make yourself so useful, so unique, and so capable that people naturally depend on you. It could be your knowledge, your experience, your attitude, anything. But there has to be something about you that makes others think, if this person isn't around, I might not be able to move forward. This is a mindset powerful people already understand. Those who remain in leadership for a long time know this. People will stay close to you only until they need you. So make sure they keep needing you. Now, I'm not saying you should make others weak, not at all. What I'm saying is, make yourself so strong, so important, and so irreplaceable that they can't afford to ignore you. You need to keep improving your skills. You need to work on your mindset, your value, your uniqueness. Because the truth is, even a cup of tea is loved only when it's hot. Once it gets cold, people start losing interest. Same with people. You're respected as long as you're useful, as long as you're adding real value. If people realize they can do things without you, you become replaceable. They may still be polite, but they won't respect you the same way. In a workplace, for example, your boss should feel like you are the smartest person on the team, that nothing moves without you. Only then will you gain true respect. Here's the rule. Help others in a way that they naturally lean on you. Let it happen organically, but never try to make them weak. Instead, focus on becoming so capable that you're the strongest option available. Build your talents, sharpen your mind, get better every day. And here's another truth. Don't show your full power to everyone. Keep a part of your skills hidden, because once people think they've fully figured you out, they lose curiosity. Just like a book, no matter how interesting, once fully read, it's often put aside. So yes, help others, be present, be valuable, but don't always say yes to everything. Don't be always available. Because if you're always there, people might use your help, but they won't respect it. Help people, but only when they ask. That way they understand the value of what you gave them. No matter how talented, skilled, or knowledgeable you are, if you're available 24/7, you'll become taken for granted. Also, don't show people that you depend on them. Let it be the other way around. They should feel like they need you, not the other way around. So, if you really want to be respected, if you want people to come to you again and again, focus on building your brand, your skills, your personality, and your uniqueness. When you become powerful in that way, people will naturally rely on you. And where there's dependency, there's respect. If you like the video, let me know in the comments. And if there's a topic you want me to cover, drop it down below. I read all your comments. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.